Hello everyone, myself Jyotsna Singh. I am from Bihar. I have 12-year working experience in research and development division in the FMCG company. Right now I am based in Jamshedpur for last 2 years. When I was working in an organization, मैं बहुत सारे लोगों से मिलती थी जहाँ पे लोग ट्रेडिंग्स की बात करते थे, प्रॉफिट्स लॉसेस मार्केट्स अप्स एंड डाउन्स की बातें करते थे. So profit is quite fascinating, but the losses are the painstaking because your hard-earned money is just gone in a click of button. So trading was never in my bucket list to be in any part of my future. But when I came to Jamshedpur, I started my consultancy with the firms where I get ample of time कि मैं खुद का और भी कुछ करने का सोच सकती थी, any type of a part time job. So I tried to just get into the options of trading. I thought of why not to just try for trading, how to do that. तो उसके लिए मैंने बहुत सारे फर्म्स को गूगल पे सर्च किया, उनसे बातें की एंड गॉट टू नो अबाउट कि ट्रेडिंग करने के लिए क्या क्या उनकी पेमेंट्स होती है, क्या स्ट्रैटेजीज होती है, किस तरह से वो पढ़ाते हैं. बट इट वॉज नॉट आई वॉज नॉट क्वाइट कंफर्टेबल विद द वे दे कंसल्टेड एंड द वे दे हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट इट. In the meanwhile, I came to know about the Pro Capital as well. So I got enrolled with the Pro Capital. I was quite comfortable to talk with the people and the guys from there. एंड फाउंडेशन कोर्स इनकी जनवरी 2025 की जो शुरू हुई थी उसमें मैंने अपने आप को इनरोल करवाया एंड आई हैव स्टार्टेड माय फर्स्ट क्लास फ्रॉम 1st of January 2025. यहाँ प्रो कैपिटल में द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द प्रो कैपिटल इज़ अभिषेक सर, हु इज़ अ कोर ट्रेडर. He is very serious person when it comes from the topic of trading. He has instead taking a classes on Saturday as well. This shows that how much devoted he is on the trading. प्रो कैपिटल में हम लोगों को साइकोलॉजिकली उन्होंने ब्रेन वॉश किया टुवर्ड्स द ट्रेडिंग कि ट्रेडिंग क्या चीज़ है, किस तरह से करनी होती है. देयर आर सेट ऑफ रूल्स ही हैज़ डिज़ाइन फ्रॉम हिज ओन एक्सपर्टीज़ फॉर द लास्ट 17 years ऑफ हिज एक्सपीरियंस. These rules उन्होंने कभी ये नहीं कहा कि you have to follow it blindly whatever he is teaching, but he has always asked us to do the back testing of the rules what he has discussed the day of the classes, you can say. So based on the back testing, then he asked us to do the trading for the next day. He has a set of rules which are very simple, very systematic, that if you follow the rules you can overcome the losses. So loss was my main fear, जिसके रीज़न से मैं कभी ट्रेड करना नहीं चाहती थी. बट यहाँ पर अभिषेक सर की जो फंडामेंटल लॉजिक थी कि he will not teach us about the profit, but he will be corely depending and teaching us how to minimize your losses. And that is the thing which which build more confidence in me towards the Pro Capital, because losses fear को overcome किया तो obviously आपके profits बनने हैं, is the other part of the coin. So losses को overcome करने के लिए what he told us just to follow the rules, which will minimize your risk, and in coming future or the same you will find the profits or the rewards which comes to you, which is made for yourself. So ये कॉन्फिडेंस हमें सर के साथ काम करने से, उनके सेट ऑफ रूल्स के साथ चलने से आया. इट्स नॉट अबाउट ओनली कि उन्होंने रूल्स बताया, बट ऑल्सो ही हैज़ साइकोलॉजिकली ब्रेन वॉश्ड अस. ही हैज़ मेड अस वेरी confident to take the trades. He has taught us to be consistent on the trade. He has taught us to be very disciplined while setting up the rules, not to deviate from the rules. And even if you deviate from the rule, there are you will feel the difference when you deviate from the rules. So आपको end of the day ये feel होता है कि yes, जो प्रो कैपिटल में अभिषेक सर ने बताया वो रूल्स उनकी एक्सपर्टीज और उनके गो थ्रू से कितने कनेक्टेड हैं. So we are blessed that we got a mentor like Abhishek sir, जिन्होंने लाइफ के ट्रेड्स के अप्स एंड डाउन्स को देखते हुए एक रूल्स बनाए, एक डिसिप्लिन अपनी लाइफ में सेट किया, एंड ही हैज़ टॉट अस हाउ टू फॉलो द डिसिप्लिन एज वेल. वाइल वर्किंग इन एनी ऑफ द कंपनीज पेशेंस बहुत कम होता है बिकॉज वी हैव टू डील विद द पीपल, बट हियर चूँकि योर हार्ड एंड मनी इज देयर, यू हैव टू हैव पेशेंस, यू हैव टू फॉलो द रूल्स सेट अप बाय द पीपल, सेट अप बाय द सर. And at the end of the time, when you come up with the trade with the positive P&L, it gives quite confidence which is built up every day. And now I want to take the trade every day. My first baby step was on 7th of January. I have not yet completed my foundation course, but since he has developed so much confidence in me that I want to get connected with the Pro Capital for as many times as I can. And it's quite the confidence only which has helped me, which has poked me to get enroll myself in the internship program. So foundation course khatam nahi hua, but yet I have enrolled myself in the internship program as well. And what Abhishek sir has told ki Pro Capital is not only a place where you will learn stocks about tradings one day. It is a university where once you get enrolled, you will get the facilities, you will get the help from the tutors, from the mentors for everlasting. And I am blessed to have the Pro Capital where I will learn, I want to learn, and I will be enrolled with the Pro Capital for a longer period of time. When I see around the world, I feel like more of the people like me are not very confident to take the trade. They fear themselves about the losses. So I ask them, I feel like you can, if you want to make, you want to be independent, you want to be a supportive hand in your family, and you have ample of time, just get enrolled with the Pro Capital. Be disciplined, be follow the rules, and just you can go ahead with your, you can go ahead, you can overcome your fear of the losses, and finally at the end of the day you will enjoy the time. We enjoy in the work, we can also enjoy doing the trading. So I thank the Pro Capital, Abhishek sir, the team, and the organization. I wish that they continue to provide the services to us, and we like people will be connected with you as many times you ask us to connect with any type of the educative programs like in the Pro Capital. They are having it in the future as well. Thank you for that. Thanks you. Thanks the organizations. Thanks the people for everything what they have done till now. Thank you.